All right, Jason joining me now. Speaking of Thanksgiving, folks might want to note their travel schedules or at least pay attention ahead of time because it's going to be a little dicey out there.
Yeah, getting to grandma's house this year is going to be a problem. Tuesday night, very late into really all day Wednesday. Now, it's not going to be in a snow for everyone situation, but even with the rain coming down, there's certainly going to be delays for air, land, all kinds of travel. Right now, not much. Scattered snow showers, rain showers wrapping up. This is going to dry out tonight. You're seeing the snow shower activity moving through down east right now. Not expecting a lot in the way of accumulation there. As we get to Augusta on your Monday, abbreviated work week because of the holiday, starting off cold, bunch of frost, temps in the 20s, wind northwest 10 to 20. That's going to be howling. That will keep the temperature down tomorrow. Only 36 degrees in the afternoon. That's the high in Augusta. 35 by 3 o'clock. So even with full sun, we only get to the mid-30s up around the capital there. 20s and 30s tonight. Notice that wind out of the northwest bringing in that cold Canadian high pressure air coming down from eastern Canada. Monday morning, you're waking up to 20s and 30s, and it's not going to warm up that much after that. You see here, even along the coastal plain with a downsloping breeze, still the mid-30s. No one sees 40s, and certainly no one gets anywhere close to 50s like we were today. In the afternoon tomorrow, 35 degrees over in Rockland. Fast forward Tuesday night, 11 o'clock, you're thinking about getting a head start to go to grandma's house. There will be snow coming down in the western mountains at that time, rain along the southern coast. By 5 in the morning, I'll stop things. Here's that rain, snow, ice battle line. Now, I don't expect a lot of ice from this, but certainly on the onset of precip, that warm nose of air goes into that cold air at the surface. Got to watch out. But I expect the rain and the southeast wind to overtake the cold air and really just scour that out, which means you're getting a lot of rain, Augusta, Lewiston, Auburn, Sanford, Portland, Wiscasset, snow, Greenville, Millinocket, up to Caribou. And it's going to stay snow all day and all night up in the county. Everyone else eventually pretty much changes over to rain. So it's 1 to 3 inches here, wrapping up around northern highlands, 3 to 6 plus Millinocket, Dover, Foxcroft, 1 to 3, a little sliver here down towards Augusta before it changes over to all rain. This is all rain with a 985 millibar low that's going to be strengthening in the Gulf of Mexico. Excuse me, not the Gulf of Mexico. This will be strengthening as we get obviously into the Gulf of Maine. Here's the forecast. The next few days kind of jumped over things just a second there. But yes, it is going to be snow and rain inland. And then we're clear for Thursday, Friday, sun and clouds. And then not a big storm locked in yet for the next weekend or the upcoming holiday weekend. But I can tell you there will definitely be some rain and snow showers around.
All righty. Well,
it's that time of the year.
I was going to say, It's Maine, it's November, it's coming at some point.
Yes.
Thanks, Jason.